Far up. Far out. Far more. James Bond is back on Her Majesty's Secret Service. And this time, they drop a mountain on him. Albert R. Broccoli and Harry Salzman present Ian Fleming's On Her Majesty's Secret Service. On a steel cable, on a racing bobsled, on a ton of dynamite, on one ski, back comes Bond, down comes the mountain, on comes the excitement. In the biggest 007 adventure of them all, on Her Majesty's Secret Service. George Lazenby, Diana Rigg, Telly Savalas, on Her Majesty's Secret Service. In color from United Artists, entertainment from Transamerica Corporation. This picture has been rated M, mature audiences.